This video will show you how to replace the lever unit in a MAGURA MCi system. You can find information about the tools you will need in the video description. First, open the screws on the handlebar clamp with a Torx T25 tool and remove the clamp. Next, remove the lever unit by pushing it slightly towards the end of the handlebar, rotating it forward, and disengaging it. Now, you can mount the new lever unit. When you insert the lever unit, make sure that you guide the fork at the end of the unit correctly over the piston rod and insert it cleanly into the plastic part. Push the lever unit as far as you can towards the stem so that it is correctly positioned in the recess on the handlebar. Make sure that the lever unit can no longer be rotated or moved from this position. Now, you can fix the lever unit in place with the clamp. In doing so, make sure that the clamp is correctly aligned. The thick side, or the side marked with an arrow, must point upwards. As you tighten the clamp, push the lever unit gently towards the stem. First, fully tighten the top screw to 2 Newton meters. Then, tighten the lower screw to 2 Newton meters. Make sure that the brake works properly and that there is no damage to the handlebar. You'll find more information in the service section at magura.com. Your MAGURA dealer will also be glad to help you. If you have specific questions, you can also contact us via the chat feature on our social media channels.